Hey, we're here again. Exciting today. The theory of energy. Energy is part of our healing modality, part of all our healing programs. And it has a distinct place in all natural healing. Same as massage and meridian system methods do. The theory of energy is science being observed from one direction. That's the science of our body, is being observed from one direction. So all the other directions, you look at the science of healing the body, the medicine people do it one way, the natural health people do it many ways. It's holistic, it's a collection of things that need to come together for healing to happen. Okay, so basically our human body, there's a handful of minerals and fragments. We could grind ourselves up and dry ourselves out, and that's what we'd get. Just a handful of minerals and stuff that you could almost buy, you could buy from a produce store, that would be used in the soil to make it grow stuff better. Pretty much. So what creates the human body then? You put all that stuff together and add water and stir it up, and then you need energy and information. The information is DNA, which tells, so as the cells take on a little bit of mineral and a little bit of this, and the cells come together and form our body. Trillions of cells actually, and then there's the bacteria which are in our gut, so we need that as well. Okay, so the energy so that's the information is DNA information, and the energy is basically universal energy. It's all around us. Once again, if you're interested, you can look at the science of it, but it certainly has a place in science. So that's what energy is. So its part in healing, it's part of the thyroid restoration program. We do our treatments, and then at the end we do an energy treatment. Now, when you do an energy treatment on the body as part of the thyroid restoration program, you can pick which way you want to do it. You'll see a video pop up soon on this channel where Gigi, who's one of our students, explains her method of energy healing. Then there's another one coming after that by another one of the students, and you will see that also explaining their method of energy healing as part of the thyroid restoration program. So the method we use in the group and in our health retreat is what they call Reiki. Now, we picked Reiki, number one, because I was trained in it 30 odd years ago, and we've used it ever since then, and it's It's a very effective method of healing. But the other reason, of course, is that there are maybe 100,000, maybe more, actual people around the world that have been trained to use Reiki in one way or another. So when you get to that part of the thyroid restoration program, it's quite easy to find somebody who knows something about it. Just look for a person that's been trained in Reiki. There's still a lot of other methods too, and you can Google them, although Google these days is it's toning down anything that's natural. It's trying to get rid of anything that's natural, so you don't get a lot of truth out of Google anymore. Okay, so that's the story with the healing. Basically, the Reiki healing is just using your hands, using universal energy. You put your hand where the healing is to be done. In the case of the thyroid restoration program, it is used for healing, but it's also used to balance out the treatments that are given using the meridian system and using the massage system on the back. Now, both of those actually tend to disturb the status quo in the body. So they're unbalances, and because of that they can have slight reactions within the body, and so the energy treatment at the end is there to just balance out a little bit any chance of a reaction, and therefore the whole treatment as we've described it in the program is comfortable and easy to apply. It can be applied by anyone. People can look at the previous videos and see how it's done and then go ahead and do it on someone. Working with the person they're working on and sort of just saying, well, does that feels good? Okay, I'll just keep going. Easy. So, thank you very much for tuning in. We wish you all the very best success. Nobody should not succeed within the thyroid restoration program. It's designed to succeed with everybody and eliminate all of the symptoms of a depleted thyroid. Thank you again. Bye bye.